If you're a fan of pecan pie, you're gonna love these pecan tassies, and I am making them gluten-free today. So you can use all-purpose or gluten-free flour with excellent results. Let's take a look together. So you're gonna make these in either a mini muffin pan, or I'm using our brownie bite pan. And because I made half the batch already, I've got lots of empty wells here. So if you are baking smaller batches, you can just use your whole pan, just alternate your wells. You don't even have to fill them with water. That is a baking myth that I've cleared with the King Arthur flour people. And it'll allow you to be able to take things out without spilling water, which I thought you had to do. So I am using the gluten-free measure from Measure Flour from King Arthur today. I love this one for swapping out all-purpose when I am not using yeast. So pretty much any other recipe, muffins, quick breads, cookies, I can use that flour if I want to make a gluten-free recipe. So anyway, I've mixed this up with our stand mixer. It's butter, cream cheese, flour, and we're just going to make a dough that we're going to press in there. Now you can use your thumb or look around your kitchen and look for something that's round and flat, and it actually is a lot easier. So just dip it in your flour of choice and then press it into the bottom. You don't have to grease your pans at all. You're just going to flour it so that it won't stick. And the recipe says to press that dough all the way up the sides. You really don't have to do that. And if you try to do that, you're actually going to be using more dough than you need. So just press it so that all of the edges have, even halfway up is perfectly fine. All right, these are all done. And this is a silicone sauce whisk, by the way, but the end is flat and it works perfectly. Now we're gonna get the pecan mixture put together and put over the top of the dough. So this is just, again, a little bit of melted butter, brown sugar, egg, vanilla, and some finely chopped pecans, which I did with the electric twist and chop. I'm using my small scoop, which I also portioned for the dough, and a level scoop is 1 tablespoon. So we have multiple scoops available. They go from, I say size guilt-free to guilty. So the small scoop is 1 tablespoon, the medium scoop is 2 tablespoons, the large scoop is 3 tablespoons, and then the extra large scoop is 4 tablespoons, so 1/4 cup. So depending on what you're baking, you can grab the right scoop for the size. And the reason why I love to make this particular dessert is, especially at the holiday time, when you want to have pies, it's hard to make a gluten-free pie crust. It can be done, but this is way easier. So if you want to be able to have what satisfies your guests as pie, but make it gluten-free, this is a great alternative. So let's take a look. After they've baked for 20 minutes, you're gonna let them cool in your pan for about 3 minutes, and then you're gonna use your cake tester. This is a nylon end. You see how it's flat? It helps you release from all the way around so you can pop these out. You're gonna give a little dusting of powdered sugar because that makes it look special. Just like that. And there you go. You've got pecan tassies that everybody will enjoy. Whether you need to have it be gluten-free or not, you're gonna love this recipe. It's buttery, it's rich, it's absolutely wonderful. Will you give it a try?